Now some of you have asked me, why is it that when they make the brown sugar syrup, it crystallizes in the end, so you don't get the consistency that you are looking for. So just to cover the top 3 common mistakes in making your brown sugar syrup. Number 1 is stirring the caramel mixture during the caramelization process. Do not stir or it will crystallize. So just give it a swirl every once in a while until you reach the desired color that you're aiming for. Second common mistake is over simmering your brown sugar syrup. There's absolutely no need for this. You will only achieve losing some of your brown sugar syrup to evaporation and also making it too thick that when it cools down, it hardens or it crystallizes. The third common mistake is refrigerating your brown sugar syrup. There's absolutely no need for that. Think jams, think maple syrup or honey. You don't refrigerate them. Sugar has preservative in itself, so you can happily let your brown sugar sit outside the refrigerator for at least a month. Here's my brown sugar syrup. You can drizzle along the sides of your cup. And then, that's it. And then use the back of a spoon to spread it around. There you go. If you have sinkers, put it first, then your ice, and then your drink. And then you will have a perfectly beautiful tiger sugar effect on your cup. So good luck in your kitchen, and I hope that the next time around your brown sugar will be as perfect and it will not crystallize when it cools down. Just follow and avoid the mistakes which I showed you today. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.